How to enable Instagram story comments. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable story comments on Instagram profile. It's a new feature introduced in a recent update, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, simply scroll down and tap on comment options. So once you are here on the comment section, you simply have to tap on stories. And now in this section under the controls option, you can see three options, that is everyone, people you follow and off. And now to enable Instagram story comments, you simply have to tap on everyone or people you follow. And that's it. That's how you can enable Instagram story comments. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.